My name is Andrea Rodriguez, and I'm known on the internet as Burping Girl. It's a YouTube channel that I created a few years ago where I do burping content. I created Burping Girl from a phone sex job that I had. I had a client who would call me and want me to burp on the phone for him. He would pay me. And then from there, it was, can you create videos for me? Can you create clips for me? Webcam and stuff like that. And so I started doing, fat girl fetish content with burping and gassy and stuff like that. And it just went off. People loved it.